am Betial Asmeram, and I'm a student at UC Berkeley, senior, and I'm currently in the HCOP Primary Care and Public Health course. And I decided to take the class because I was interested in being a physician, but also really interested in in public health, and I wanted to get more information about that. And the course has taught me a lot more than I expected initially, and we've had guest speakers come from physicians to different public health professionals, and we've done site visits at Richmond City Council. And overall, I think the course has really just enriched my experience and understanding of what healthcare really is, and that it's not just a hospital setting. It is behavior, genetics, and all these other things, and it is how we interact with our community and environment. And I'm still deciding if I want to do public health or go the med school route, but I think what I've really, the take-home message that I've learned is that public health is in everything, and it doesn't matter if you're a physician, if you're a business person, an accountant, that if we want a healthy society and if we want to take care of one another, then public health really has to be infused with what we do in order to be successful. So I feel like I've been really enlightened by the course, and I'm very, very grateful that I've taken it. It's probably the most important course that I've taken at Cal so far in terms of my development and what I want to do.
Hello, my name is Omonivie Agboghidi. I'm currently a graduating senior at UC Berkeley. I'm in my final year, go Bears. And so with the HCOP program, I had the opportunity this past summer to participate in the HCOP Summer Research Scholars Program, and it was, in short, amazing. So for me, I had never had prior research experience, whether that was in the lab or more around social science and like with human subjects. So I really wanted to get that experience and learn if that was a field that I was interested in going into or not interested in going into. And in short, the experience was amazing. I was partnered up with an amazing mentor who really guided me and walked me through the steps of conducting research and how to do a critical literature review, how to propose my question. And in the summer, I actually was able to develop my own research question and carry out research methods that helped me to do data collection and analyze my data. So it was like a very rewarding and enriching experience. I learned so much about research methods, and honestly the different populations and different type of research that you can really do. And I never knew that all those options were available, and it really expanded my eyes into the research fields within public health. I think what I learned the most was how to really develop a research question and carry out the necessary steps to have a research project. And for me, it really boosted my confidence at the end of the summer to stand in front of a symposium full of people and present the research that I created, that I worked on, that I developed, and that I carried out with real human subjects. I did focus group interviews to collect data. And it was quite amazing, and to this day I have amazing support from the cohort. My mentor still guides and helps me, and I'm still actually working on the research that I started this summer. So the summer research program was something that really changed my life, and it really instilled in me a confidence that I never had before in doing research and feeling competent in pursuing other academic projects that I felt that I wasn't well versed in before.